Hey everyone! Today we have an 8-minute lifting routine. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize your skin. First exercise is for double chin. Start to slide with your hands upwards on your neck for 10 times. This exercise will boost blood circulation, promote collagen production. As a result, it will reduce double chin fat and neck wrinkles. Next exercise is jawline sculpting. Start to move from your chin under your jawline with your knuckles. Keep doing this smoothly and slowly with a medium pressure for 10 times on each side. At the end, move downwards on the sides of your neck to remove the toxins and fat cells out of the face through lymph nodes. This exercise will sculpt your jawline. It will also reduce double chin fat. Next exercise is for jowls lift. For this move, start to pinch the skin slightly without making any wrinkles and then move upwards towards your ears. Keep doing this for 5 times on each side. While doing this move, focus on the exercise and keep doing this slowly. By pinching the skin, you're gonna increase blood circulation, promote collagen production. As a result, your face will lift and your skin will get brighter. This move also lifts the lip corners and reduces buccal fat. You also reduce jaw tension as you're moving on the masseter muscle. Next exercise is for lip corners. With your fingers, pinch your skin up and then start to move slowly upwards from your lip corners towards your ears. Keep doing this slowly for 5 times on each side. This move is a very effective exercise to lift the cheeks and sculpt them. It will also give your skin a nice glow by promoting collagen production and reducing face puffiness. Next exercise is for lip muscles. Make scissors with your fingers, put them around your lips, and start to move upwards towards your ears. Keep doing this with a medium pressure for 10 times. This move will tone and shape the lip muscles, and by lifting the skin, it will make the lips to look plumper. By moving around the lips, it will also reduce any wrinkles and fine lines like barcode lines in this area. Next exercise is facelift. This move is a very simple yet effective exercise. Move upwards on your face with your hands. Keep doing this for 10 times with a medium pressure smoothly on each side. This move will lift the face and tone the muscles overally. It lifts the sagging jowls, cheeks, it reduces marionette lines and smile lines. Next easy exercise is for eyes. Start to move with your fingertips around your eyes for 10 times slowly and smoothly. This move will increase blood circulation. As a result, it will reduce eye bags, dark circles, and puffiness. Next exercise is for opening the lymph nodes on the brows. Keep massaging for 10 seconds on 3 points on your brows. This simple massage will activate acupressure points on the brow muscles, so the tension in the muscles here will reduce. As a result, you will get deep puffed eyes, lifted brows, and reduced frown lines. Next exercise is for depuffing the eyes and hooded eyes. With your knuckles, keep moving over your eyes for 10 times slowly. This simple exercise will reduce any toxins and stagnant fluid build up in the eye area. As a result, it will lift the eyes and reduce the look of hooded eyes. Next exercise is for frown lines. First, start to pinch your brows and hold them with a high pressure for 10 seconds. In this way, you're gonna warm up the muscles and reduce their tension. Then, start to slide outwards with your fingers around your brows for 10 times. With this move, you're gonna lengthen the brow muscles and help them to go back to their normal length. As a result, you will reduce frown lines. Next, we go up to our forehead. Move upwards on your forehead towards your scalp with your fingertips for 10 times. Your pressure should be medium. This exercise will lift the eyes and brows by lifting the forehead skin. It will also relax you and reduce any headache by removing the toxins in the skin and moving them towards the lymph nodes. Lastly, finish the routine with lymphatic massage. Start on your scalp. Then move to your temples and start to massage for 5 seconds on each point. Then move to your ears. After that, move down on the neck sides. And lastly, move to your collarbones and massage on them for 5 seconds. So this was it for today's effective and easy lifting routine. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Bye.